Here I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps which you don't use in this particular moment, you can see them all by going to the recent section. So if you have the gesture navigation setup, you just have to make it like this, slide your finger from the bottom of the screen and hold it, and here you can see all of your opened applications. If you have the system navigation with 3 buttons, you will just have 1 button, which is recent. Here you can see all of these applications. If you want to close them all at once, just tap on this cross icon here, and after that all of these applications will be closed and your device will be cleaned deep. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.